Money manifestation advice, which is making you broke. That's what we are talking about today. And I have wonderful Harrison who's going to ask me questions. I don't necessarily know what they are. This is going to be very interactive. And guys, you will find out shit you haven't found out before. And your financial life depends on this video. So watch till the end. We have lots to say. I'm tired of the shit online. I'm debunking everything for you to understand how you've been almost scammed and how easy manifesting is. And by the way, if you want to know, if you want to see the longer version of this, 90-minute version, where I will be talking about everything to do with money manifesting, you need to sign up for my webinar. The link is down below in the video description. You need to do it now, and your life will change once forever. That's a promise, not a threat. Okay, Harrison. Harrison, what did you want to ask me today?
Yeah, so I've spent a few hours researching the manifestation space, and I was told to raise vibrations, script every day, be grateful for what I have, and I'm just a bit confused because everyone says something different, so I feel a bit overwhelmed. So can you help me out of this situation?
Harrison, I'll do anything for you. Harrison is one of my favoriteest people, so of course I'll answer anything, right? And look how pretty he looks, and the haircut. We have a new haircut. I have new hair, and Harrison has new haircut. So what a duo, right? So raising vibration. Oh my God! If I hear that one more time, seriously, your manifesting does not, and never has, and never will depend on you raising your vibration. Can we stop talking shit, please? Because your manifesting solely depends on what you believe, what you assume, and your identity. It does not depend on, I'm in a great mood, I'm flying, everything's great, life is yummy, life is delicious, everything's one. No, this is wrong, it's toxic, it's getting you no results. Please never raise your vibrations in this way. Does it help to be happy? Yes. Is it a requirement to manifest? No. Haven't you noticed extreme numbers of really, really depressed, anxious, unhappy billionaires? Come on. You should know better than that. And I'm telling you right now, stop raising vibrations, not helpful. You're only spending more energy doing something that doesn't come naturally to you. And manifesting is all about being natural, people, please. So be natural. Everything's fine. Be as happy as you can. I'm all for it, but don't do it like today I need to be happy, so I'm gonna override that I have 1,001 problems and I don't feel good about my work and blah 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 blah. So I have to override it if I want to manifest a better job. No, you don't. This is now not how the stuff works. What else was there, Harrison? Remind me.
So what is the solution, as I'm really unsure what I should be doing now?
Hold on. You said raise your vibration. There was scripting every day. Interesting. Scripting once. Watch my video on making lists. The list quantum method. Do that. Take a notebook, buy a notebook just for manifesting, and every day write 10 to 50 new things every day we want to manifest. Write it once, ask once. We only ever ask once. And leave it alone. Write more stuff next day. Once a week on Friday evening, tick off everything you actually manifested. It should be about 80 to 90%. If that's not the case, you're doing something seriously wrong and you need to come and talk to me because 80 to 90% of manifesting everything what's on your list in a week is a standard. And it's scientifically proven. Science says 82% of things you write down will manifest. I think it's more, but then I don't have limiting beliefs. Okay. Then you said, also, didn't you say be grateful?
Yeah.
Oh, every time I hear people being grateful, I feel physically uncomfortable. I feel physically unwell. Well, let's say that I throw up inside. Because, yes, I'm grateful for everything I have. Yeah, thanks. And that's as much as gratefulness as you should have. Every single time I hear someone being over grateful, over blessed, over everything, they never manifest. Your manifestations do not, and I repeat, do not depend on you being grateful. Can you explain to me why you're grateful for shit? You're grateful for toxic mother, bad job, car which has not worked properly, your children being little devils. But what are you grateful for exactly? Be grateful for good things, but like, yeah, thanks, appreciate it. That's all you have to say. But if you're overly grateful, you're being a doormat. Manifesting at its best is, yeah, good life, but I can do so much better. And you know what? Actually, I'm totally fed up with the toxic coworker. I'm not doing this anymore. You need to get angry with what you don't want in order to manifest what you do want. And now, please, can anyone explain to me how being grateful works with being angry? Not really, does it? So be grateful normally. Yeah, great, thanks. That's the end of story. No more to be said. Normalize things. Don't be overly everything. Being grateful is not a badge of honor. It doesn't get you more stuff. But getting angry with results you don't like is what's going to catapult you towards what you do want. It's very easy. I can't stand the toxic worker. I can't stand my bank account. I'm tired of it. I'm so tired of it. You really get angry, which means you disconnect. In that anger, you disconnect from what you don't want. You all of a sudden have extreme clarity of what you do want, and that high charge anger turns into energy, which is actually pro-manifesting and will start getting you what you want. It's the anger which will catapult you. But I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. Forever I feel so grateful. No, what a load of shit. Please don't do that. You're going nowhere. And yeah, just to comment, you've seen it. I know it. I've known it for God knows how long, how many years, but you've experienced it. Everyone says something else. There's like 1,000 different methods, 1,000 different people saying, and my method is the only one, and blah, 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 blah. I have, and you ask me what the solution is. I have only one thing to say. Actually, two things to say. Manifesting is absolutely fucking natural. Harrison, how long has it been since you heard the word manifesting?
About 3 or 4 years.
Okay. You didn't hear about it before, right?
No.
Did you successfully graduated school, bought a first car, had a first girlfriend, learned something new, without knowing about manifesting, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Did you have breakfast and dinner every day when you didn't know about manifesting?
Yeah.
So hold on. This is the hook. So you're trying to tell me that you did not pray for 6 hours towards Mecca every day. You did not wear yellow t-shirt. You did not do robotic affirmations. You did not raise your vibrations. Yet you graduated, had first girlfriend, had breakfast, had dinner every day, and you generally succeeded. Wow. Wow. That's so unexpected. I did not see this coming. Because people, please, manifesting is natural. You manifest your every breath. You also stop breathing and pray towards this direction for 3 minutes to have another breath. Well, you'd die in the meantime. No, it's automatic. You manifest your every food, you manifest going to the bathroom every couple hours, you manifest all of that is manifesting. You've been doing it before you found out manifesting, and it was natural to you. You didn't think about it, you just said what you want and it came. And that's the end of story. Why are you manifestation? Special word, needs special attention and special time allocation and special behavior. Really? I want Chinese for dinner. Did I allocate time, or did I just say what I want and I got it? That's what manifesting is. And if you're doing anything else, you're screwing it up. You're totally screwing it up. If you're giving time, energy, and I need to do more stuff, and I need to follow this person and this person and this person and this person. And if I do, I'm on 6 hours a day right now, but if I do 10, I bet I'll speed it up. People, you were all successful before you heard about manifesting. You just said, I think I should get a degree. I think I need a new car. I think I'd like to get married. I'd like a baby. And you just didn't. You just went and did it. No praying, no nothing. So normalize manifesting as I get what I want because I said so. End of story. And be the person, be the version of you which already has it. So work on your identity, and that's all you need to know. And I will be teaching all of that in the wonderful webinar, in the wonderful masterclass, to which you have a link in the video description. Correct, Harrison?
Correct. You can't miss it.
Yeah, you can miss it. And Harrison, hopefully you will feel not overwhelmed anymore and you'll know what to do. Because basically just breathe, okay? That's the whole requirement for manifesting. Because when you don't breathe, the good chance you will not be able to manifesting a thing. But if you do breathe, you will manifest everything you want. So thank you guys. Lovely watching, lovely you being here. Watch more of our videos, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I release a new video. And we'll see you at the next video. Until then, have fun. Bye.
Bye bye.